since we are gonna have a part three. So, since this is gonna be multiple things, my camera, stop trying to focus on that. Stop. That's better. Okay, my camera was just being dumb. Anyway, so I'm tying strings. I kind of went ahead and read a little bit ahead so I knew what the next step was, because this is another step where it's gonna have to soak for, I think, 24 hours. Or it dries for 24 hours. Nope, it's gotta soak. Yep. So, this is gonna be like step. This is gonna be more than I thought it was, but that's okay. I hope you guys are okay with it. It's gonna be like probably through Wednesday I'll be doing this, but I'm also thinking about doing some other things like gaming, because I love playing my games, and I'm back into my Stardew Valley kick, but I'm playing on my Wii, so I gotta figure out and get back to playing with you guys, because I like playing on the PC as well, and that would be fun. So anyway, what I'm doing right now is tying all of these guys. See these guys? All of these guys onto a stick, which my stick is my pencil. So we're doing that because that's gonna be the next step after the step. Also, my boiling hot water near all my electronics, probably death. Yeah, it's probably not the best idea I've ever had. Yeah. Anyway, so, because you gotta have hot water. So, we have that. Anyway, so I'm going to continue to tie these onto the pencils as I chat with you guys about what, I don't know, whatever comes to my dinky little brain. I'm full of surprises. Alright. I hope this works, guys. I mean, because it sure is a lot of work. It's like dedication. How dedicated do you have to be? You know, it's not a one-day achievement. I kind of like those one days, you know, just one day and then you achieve it and then you move on. But sadly, this is going to be 3 days, which is fine. It'll be fun. I hope it turns out, because it sure is a lot of work for it not to work. So, if it turns out like it shows on the box, anything close to that would be tremendously, we would be tremendously grateful. Come on, you don't do it. Okay. Sorry. I kind of sounded like, what is he? Oh, God. What is he? The Lord of the Rings. What do they call him? I just slipped my mind. You probably know exactly what I'm thinking of. Oh, I just slipped my mind, though. Yep. So, I don't. Gosh, I can't believe I can't remember that. Anyway, we're still. Thanks! I'm just here for fun. But hey, maybe I need it. I don't know. Anyway. Tying this into all my pins. Oh, that's right. I didn't put anything on that because I didn't. They gave us a thread. I don't think I'm going to use thread for this anyway, so I'm just going to use one of these. Because they did give us thread with this to use. I just used my own, I think on accident. supplied us with these. Because what else are we going to use these for? Let's see. Can I open it? Can I open it? Can she open it? Anyway, my day's been going good. I hope your day's been going good. I've been kind of lazy, sitting on the couch, smoking a couple bowls, but you know how that goes sometimes. You having a rough day? You having a rough day? Although I'm not. I'm having a great day, so I don't necessarily need it, because I'm having a bad day. Which is a good thing. I'm not having a bad day. Put those scissors there. Because we're about to need them again. Oh, this is just twine. Yeah, I could have used this. Although, this is how much twine they give you. I don't know if it's actually enough. It might be. Since I used my yarn. And I don't know what kind of chemical reaction that's going to have. I think it's just going to soak it in. It'll be fine. I'm not concerned if you haven't noticed. Okay, we need one more pin. Alright, and I'm just assuming it's been 3 hours. I set my timer with you guys. I'm assuming it's dry. So we can go into the next step. And then for our 24 hours, which will be this time tomorrow. Okay, so, oh yeah. Hopefully these are all long enough. I didn't really test it, but I think they will be. Okay. Now, of course, where did you put your instructions? Where you need to be. Oh, your crap. Okay, let's see. Okay, let your charm sit for about 3 hours or until the glue is dried. We have let it set for 3 hours, and we're assuming the glue is dried. I'm not seeing anything fall off like it was. I guess if it is, then it's not going to be part of our artwork. Okay, or our craft piece, I shall say. Now, once the glue is completely dry and the aluminum powder secures to your base, you don't have to ask an adult, because I am an adult. But this part, if you are a kid, you need to ask your adult to add half a cup of hot water, about the temperature of hot tea, into a disposable cup. These are my disposable cups. I sure and heck hope that I think they can withstand some heat, so I think we're all right. So, further ado, and then we mix it completely. Let me just read the next few steps because we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so we've added the 7 teaspoons of the aluminum powder. And now, half a cup of water. Add aluminum into the water. I'm going to do it backwards, but it'll be fine until it dissolves completely. Okay, I'm going to read this fun fact because this is a fact since it's about knowledge and learning. This is something you're going to learn from this little kit. You will have learned when the aluminum powder dissolves into the water and it's no longer visible, you've created what scientists call a solution. Hot water instead of cold will make substances dissolve quicker because of its temperature while still retaining at most of the substance as possible. Basic science almost. Almost, but hey. It might not be for some people. Okay, so now for the fun part. Well, That's not a lot at all. And I do shake. Okay. Holy crap, is it melting my spoon? Because that was boiling hot water. It said it needed to be hot, as if you were putting tea in it. Dang, I don't know if those are long enough now. Oh, so annoying. Okay, this is the solution that we're going to be leaving it in for 24 hours, though. Which is just aluminum and water. Okay. Good, I'm glad. I was about to say, this cup can withstand maybe even a dishwasher. But I'm not 100% on these cups. Okay, so there are 7 teaspoons of aluminum mixed completely. Clear. Okay. I did 2 since we are doing all parts. I just wanted to be sure. And what I might do is actually dump one to the other one, which means we just double the recipe, which means it'll be all right, right? Since it's a science kit, why not do another experiment on top of it? Okay, let's see if it is long enough. Yes. Okay, here we go, guys. That one's not gonna be. I actually see crystals forming. See that one. I hope we get crystals because as I'm putting this in, guys, the crystals are kind of going to the bottom. Stay positive, right? That's not going to work. Is this one going to work? Yep, that one works. Right, it's submerged. Okay. Yeah, they're too short. This would happen. That's okay. We're just gonna cut this and use it. Only need 3 pieces. I'm just gonna leave the yarn on it and just add this to it. So in the end, I don't think they give you enough twine. If you want my true opinion, if you do all of these at once. Yeah, they don't give you enough. Why did my dumbass do that? I'm having a real blonde moment at this very moment as we speaketh. Come on. As I was saying though, I think I'm in a game. I'm back into Stardew Valley, but I'm playing on my Wii. But I should play it back on the computer with you guys. So that's a thought that's going through my head. Okay. What did I do with the third man? Help me, dear old lassie, help me. Oh, crap. No, I want that in there. I want success. Big chunk of a knot just fell off of it. You cannot hear. Hi. Well, it says my mic is working. So maybe it's something on your end. We're making crystals, baby. Oh, yeah, sorry. I am pretty far away. Shit, duck, fire. Sorry. I am far away while I was talking. Because my mic is like way the hell over here. While I was way the hell back there. Sorry, guys. Keep me in check. Oh, crap. One more. That's not going to work. What the hell did I... There it is. Okay. What the hell did you do? So, stop dumping aluminum. I'm assuming this is safe because it's all over my room. I'm pretty sure it is, though. I'm not really worried that it's not. What I am worried about is my string's not long enough. But this piece will be long enough. Can you hear me now? I guess, because you didn't say anything, so we fixed it. It's funny because my camera's right here, and then I look right over here where I look not directly at you guys, and that's my computer screen. Oh gosh, you hear my poor dog. Don't worry, he's okay. He's not dying. Most of the time, he's just refusing to sneeze. Okay, so the things that they need to include are probably popsicle sticks or something for everyone to use, like maybe a dowel rod of some kind or something like that. Because they definitely do not give you enough twine. Okay, there we go. So, here's one. Kind of see it. I guess you can kind of see it. Anyway, hopefully crystals form. We'll kind of land on top of each other. I don't know. I might end up with a hot knot mess. And then these over here. And see that circle's just upside down at the very... It's like upside down at the very bottom. You can kind of see when I tilt. So I don't know. And then it looks like the sodium's everywhere. So we'll see what happens. So now the next process is 24 hours. So this time tomorrow we will have crystals. And then we'll have one more day after that because we have to wait 24 hours for them to dry before we can color them. And then, and only then, will the project be complete. So, if you are looking for a quick project to do in a day by yourself, this is not it. If you're looking for a project that you could probably do by yourself under the age of 8, no, because hot water. I don't know, does it have an age? They usually have an age on it. Hang on. Oh, it is 8 plus. Yeah, so I was right. Anyone under 8. Even under like 15, you need to ask for assistance to help you with the hot water. Anyway. And it takes time and space. You know, I've got to store these. I have space, but that could be a thing for some people. Time and space. And then I have this. All of this. what am I going to do? I guess what I'm going to do is just make more crystals somehow. Anyway, so we have a bunch of more of that, which is just sodium, which is just aluminum powder. So, okay. Okay. So, 24 hours, guys. I'm just going to set these up here in the corner of my room, or of my crafting area. I'm going to put this back up. I shall be right back. I might think of gaming. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got a baggie to put this in. Not that it really matters, but that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it, so it will be done. I hate sandwich baggies. I really hate sandwich baggies. At the store was out of the regular ones, and when I went to the store, I keep forgetting to get more. That's what we're stuck with. Alright, so that's going to be fun. Our crystals are growing now, guys. Should have crystals 24 hours from now. I might take pictures as I go along, so be sure to follow me on my Instagram, because I'll post the pictures there for you guys. So if anything starts forming before I go to sleep in a few hours, yeah, I'll post it for you guys. It'll be cool. And kind of show the process, and hopefully we get something out of this. I don't know. Like I say, we'll figure it out. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me again today, guys. I think I'm going to log off real quick, switch gears, and I'm going to come back and game with you guys. So, hang out, hang around. I'll be back. Oh, and thanks for stopping in and even checking out what I was up to. But yeah, so I'll be back. Bye, guys.